We'll guide you through how to add presets in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click File on the top menu to access the main project options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Import so you can add media to your project. A file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer. Choose the video file you want to use, then click Open to import it into the project. Once the video has been successfully imported, go to the Project panel, where all imported media files are stored. From the Project panel, drag the video file into the source monitor so you can preview the clip before placing it into the timeline. The source monitor allows you to check the video and prepare the exact section you want to use. If needed, trim or select the portion of the video that you want to include in your sequence so that only the necessary part of the clip is used. After selecting the desired section, drag the media clip from the source monitor onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place the clip in an existing one. Once the clip is placed on the timeline, you can begin applying presets to enhance the video. Next, go to the Effects panel to access available effects and preset options. Inside the Effects panel, locate the Presets section. Right-click on Presets to open a context menu that contains additional options. From the context menu, select Import Presets to bring a preset file from your computer into Premiere Pro. A file browser window will appear again. Choose the preset file you want to import from your computer, then click Open to add it to the Effects panel. After the preset has been imported, go back to the Effects panel to locate it. Find the Presets folder and open it to view all available preset categories. Inside the folder, open the specific folder that contains the preset you just added. Locate the preset you want to use, then drag it directly onto the video layer in the timeline to apply the effect. Press Enter on your keyboard or click the play button in the program monitor to preview the result and make sure the preset is applied correctly.